Hello. In this video, I want to show you the step-by-step process on how to enable Google Social Sign-in on your job board. To do that, you first need to navigate to the job board settings and then to the social sign-in. Here you can enable this, and the next step would be on Google's side. To do that, you can navigate to Google Cloud Console here. And if you do not have an account yet, you can create one, or if you have an existing account, you can simply work on that. Within your account, make sure you check your projects. You can either do it on your existing project or create a new one. In this case, since I already have a project, let me just navigate there. Perfect. The first step here is to go to the menu and go to the APIs and services section. Then you can click on credentials. Perfect. Here, the first step would be to configure the consent screen. So you can click on this and you can get started. Here you can simply type in the name of your job board, insert the support email or just select your email, then next. Here you make sure you select external because your employers and job seekers would use their external Gmails in order to log in. Then click on next. Here you can also type in your contact information. It could be the same email as the one you're using here. Then you have to just agree to Google's APIs and services terms and continue and create. Perfect. Now that this is created, the second step would be to also go to the menu, again APIs and services, and click on credentials. In the top, you'll see this drop down and you need to select OAuth client ID. Here you need to select the application type. Since this is a website, you need to choose the web application option. You can also name this your job board name or any internal name you'd like. Then you have these two sections to fill. Let's click on add and add. You just need to add one URL. For the authorized JavaScript origins, back in your dashboard on JBoard, you can come here and copy this following link. Paste it here. For the authorized redirect URLs, you can copy this. Perfect. Important to mention that if you are doing this before you connect your domain, this will be the default JBoard domain. But once you connect your domain, you need to change this so the Google sign-in would work on your domain. Now that we have added both, let's simply create this. And Google will show this one-time pop-up. So make sure you also save this just on so you can later use it if you, for any reason, change your settings. And the second step here would be to first copy the client ID and go back to your dashboard and paste it here. And the second step would be to copy the client secret and also paste it in your JBoard dashboard. Also have here the setting to enable the auto sign-in prompt. This is the one-click pop-up that Google shows when you visit a website that you've already logged into with Google. So you can simply click on login and it will log in to your account. Now that we have everything, we can simply update and let me go to the job board. Perfect. As you can see here, the pop-up is now open. I can simply click here and now I am logged in and I can choose what type of role and I can continue activating my account. I hope this video helps. Let us know if you have any questions.